Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will make a glowing poster that truly shines. How to design a glowing posters and create a black background for maximum contrast. Now import your subject or text in white color, then duplicate it and go to the outer glow under blending options and choose a bright color like neon blue or pink, and also increase the size and spread to make the glow more visible. And now duplicate the glow layer for a stronger effect and add some particles around using a soft rounded brush, and also change the brush mode to color dodge for realistic lighting. Then add a gradient overlay with complementary tones. Use the pen tool to draw a light streaks around